Imagine waking up to the sound of the wave crashing on the beach or watching the sunset over a lake. You can have all of that and more at your fingertips when you own this beachfront property. The Wealthy Islet offers residents everything they need to enjoy their charm at home, from the stunning view of the water to the great road network that allows you to get around easily. It's also located in a serene environment, so be rest assured that your health is protected by all those beautiful trees. And when you want some fun in the sun, you can head out to one of our many recreational facilities, tennis courts, basketball courts, and more. This luxury property is located at Eko-Akete, Abijo, Lagos, and it is in close proximity to Lakowe Lake and Golf Resort, Coscharis Motors, Novare Mall. Estate features includes private resorts, electricity, recreational facilities, excellent road network, and gated community. We have 500 square meter and 1,000 square meter plus sizes here. This